Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to find seed on Aternos server of Minecraft world. So let's get started. First, go to Aternos official website. Log in to your Aternos account. Navigate to your server dashboard. Click on File section on the left side. Click on Server Properties. Now find the seed section. In the seed option, you will find your current world seed number. You can also go to the world section on the left side. Then click on Options. In the seed section, you can also find the current world seed number. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.